Hello and welcome to the next video in a series of how-to videos for Arteco. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a violated area zone. And a violated area zone is basically your motion detection plugin. It's built into the Arteco server, so you don't need any external features for this. And in order to do that, we want to make sure that we're under the setup environment, so we want to log in as an administrator user. Once you've done that, you click on setup, and then click on the camera that you want to put the zone on. Then you click the plugin tab in the middle pane and make sure that you're under the violated area plugin. So first thing you want to do is you want to create a file to store the zone in. So I'll go ahead and create that file, and we usually call this, what the camera name is. So I'll call this camera 3, and I'll click apply. Alright, so now that the file is saved, we want to go ahead and activate the plugin so that we have the add zone button. And when you click this add zone button, you'll notice that you have the add points button selected, and have it being selected means it's highlighted there in red. So now with this add points, we just click on the image area where we want to put the vertices of our zone. So for this door, I'm just going to put a box right on the top of the door. That way, whenever it opens, it's going to detect that motion, and it's going to send the event into the live event log. And I don't need to put this on the entire door, because I just want to basically get it when it opens, not when somebody walks by. So I'll call this zone door and hit enter or click apply. And then now that I've got the zone configured, I want to apply some additional settings to it maybe. And a couple things you want to take into consideration. I'm not going to go over all of these, but the biggest ones are the short event filter, which is the amount of time that an object needs to be inside the zone for it to trigger the event. And by default, that's set to half a second. Another thing you may want to consider is the area that needs to be taken up in the zone for it to trigger. So the default for that is a minimum of 0 to 90%. Alright, so we've got our basic zone active, so we're going to go ahead and test it. We'll go into the live environment, and I'll drag that camera onto one of my layouts, and then I'm going to go ahead and open my door here to activate the zone. So there, as you can see, I opened my door and it detected that motion, and it created the violated area event down in the live event log. And then I can go ahead and double click on this to see it in the event properties panel. You can see the recorded video. If I open it again, it's finishing the recording, so there it goes, opening the door. Alright, so that's your basic motion detection plugin called Violated Area. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for future videos.